We've got so many wild plums, so it's time to make some jam. This is our plum tree. Wish I could get to the top, but alas. Bloop. Wait. Come on. I definitely want it to be an herby jam. I'm just debating. Do we go rosemary? Let's go thyme. Give them a nice rinse. And the tedious process begins. I can't make that up. It's gonna be a good day. We've got our thyme sugar, but I think we're gonna go fancy. We're gonna do just a little orange. Yum. On va faire comme ça. See you later. I decided to also make some boozy plums. We had these Udvi cherries at my neighbor's house yesterday and they were so delicious, so I'm copying them. For the neighborhood stash. Happy 9 a.m. And we're back, nice and sloshy.